I'm Alli and welcome to my channel. Can you believe we're already at the last video of my HoliDIY series? I feel like this month has already been flying by so fast. Christmas is going to be here before we know it. If you've missed any of my other HoliDIYs, I will put a card up above and a link in the description so you can go check those out. And to wrap up the last video of my series, I decided to bring you guys some DIY ugly Christmas sweaters. I'm ordering these sweaters from least to most tacky, starting with the one I'm wearing right now. Okay, so not gonna lie, I love how this sweater turned out so much. I was actually inspired by this sweater I saw as a Facebook ad for Shein, and since I couldn't even find it on the website, I decided to DIY it, and I think I found a pretty close match to that sweater with this thrifted sweater here. So basically all you need other than the sweater are these larger sequins. I went with gold because that was the easiest to find in the craft store. And then first all you have to do is lay out where all the sequins will go. I think it took me about 80 sequins to cover the entire sweater. Then using some gold thread to match the sequins, it's time to painstakingly hand sew each one on. And as a little hack, I found it easiest to loop the sequin through the thread first so that the knot wouldn't pull through the fabric, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I finished the rest of this off camera because obviously you get the point, it's the same thing over and over again. And while it did take about 2 hours to make, I am in love with the result. I think it's perfectly tacky and ready for a Christmas party. So this is my level 2 sweater on the ugly scale, though honestly I think it's absolutely adorable. The first thing you need to do is draw out the shape of the Santa hat on red felt and cut it out. Then it's on to the Pom Poms. To make the Pom Poms, wrap yarn around something like a scrap piece of cardstock about 20 to 30 times. Then remove the yarn from the cardstock, tie another piece of yarn around the middle, then cut the ends of the yarn open. Then give the whole thing a really nice trim to form the shape of the pom-pom. I made a total of 5 pom-poms to go on the hat. After that, it's time to attach the felt to the sweater, and since I wanted to make this a temporary ugly sweater, I just used red thread to stitch the hat onto the sweater so it can be removed after Christmas. Once the hat is on, you can hot glue the pom-poms to the felt. One pom-pom goes at the top as a puff, and then the rest go along the bottom. And now you have a tacky but also cute sweater for Christmas. And on to probably the ugliest or strangest sweater out of the 3 is this Wreath Sweater. What I did was take a garland from the dollar store and wrapped it into a circle shape, then just used some green thread to attach it right to this red sweater. Just like the last sweater, this will be completely removable after Christmas. Once the wreath is attached, it's time to decorate it. I hot glued in some pine cones and red berries. I just got these pieces from the dollar store too. And to tie the whole thing together, I made a little red bow to glue to the bottom. This was actually really simple to make, and if you wanted to take it a step further, you could wrap some fairy lights around the wreath. That way you'd also have a light up ugly sweater. So those were my ugly sweater ideas. In the comments below, I want to know if you have ever been to an ugly sweater party. I actually have not, though I wish I could. They seem like they'd be a lot of fun. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And lastly, if you're looking for some non-ugly DIY sweater ideas, you're in luck. I actually made a video last year with some cute fashionable DIY sweaters and upcycling ideas that you can go check out. That link will be right up above and in the description. So that concludes my HoliDIY series. I hope you guys enjoyed watching these videos because I know I had a lot of fun making them for you guys. Just a heads up, I will not be posting a video this Saturday, but I will be back next week with a huge bullet journaling series that I just cannot wait to share with you guys. Anyways, that does it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!